This is the bottle, guys. It's so pretty. This is an 80 ml bottle. Lovely. So yeah, this is not in order. When I chose the letter, I chose Escape BP. So yeah, and I need to change it. Can I just put it here? I need to change the order. Okay. So it's there. It's there. So it's like 10 pounds each, guys. These letters, 10 pounds each. So this personalized thing, this is 30 pounds on top of the price of the perfume. How much is the perfume? So it's 140, I think. 140, and I paid 170 for this because this is 30 pounds. Okay, so I got to get, see how they put it. I need to put it back like that. Okay, I need to change. Look, guys, I pulled it and it's like that. So the thing is still there. Okay, so yeah, we'll arrange the letters according to my name. I think it's nice, guys, as a pendant for my necklace. So, no, it won't shoot. But yeah, it's so cutie. I can't see it much because I'm just looking on the camera. Okay. Okay, then I guess pull it back. Whew, that's additional job for me. But yeah, it's so cutie, guys. Lovely. Look, guys.